This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone is reasonably charged and unlocked. You don't need extra apps. Open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot or Cellular, depending on your OS. Once there, make sure cellular data is enabled because the hotspot requires it. If you see an option labeled Allow Others to Join, toggle it on now. This first step creates the context for changing the password, so don't skip verifying signal and data before proceeding to edit the network name or passphrase. Now you edit the password field directly. Tap Wi-Fi password or password and the keyboard opens. You should enter at least 12 characters combining uppercase, lowercase, digits, and a symbol. This balances convenience and security. Avoid common words or sequences. Use a memorable phrase with substitutions if needed. After typing, tap Save or Done so the system applies the new passphrase. Once saved, connected devices may drop and will need the new password, which is intentional to secure access. To finish, reconnect your laptop or tablet by selecting the hotspot SSID and entering the new password. If a device refuses to join, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on again, or restart your phone to clear any transient network state. Make sure cellular data and APN settings are correct if problems persist. As a last resort, reset network settings, but note this removes saved Wi-Fi networks. This troubleshooting tip helps you resolve most failures quickly and get every device back online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.